aerial sweep over endless green banana trees showcases the plantation's vast scale under tropical sun.
Endless banana bunches glide along cableway through jungle, vines brushing against green cargo.
Cuidado con la línea, ahí va. Despejado aquí.
Workers unhook arriving banana bunches at washing station, steadying loads for cleaning. Workers cut washed bunches into hands of 5 to 7 bananas, sorting neatly for packing.
Hands pack green banana hands into cardboard boxes, stacking methodically for export.
Another load ready to go. Hello. Perfect seal on that one.
These bananas must remain green. Premature ripening means they'll be mush before they ever reach the mixer.
Inspection reveals uniform green bananas in box, condensation confirming preserved freshness. Thermometer screen glows with 13.5 degrees Celsius reading, confirming optimal transport conditions. AGV silently glides with pallet into high bay racks, lights guiding autonomous navigation.
We filter out damaged fruit before ripening. One flawed banana could spoil the entire batch through ethylene release, akin to one bad apple.
Deboxer robot tips crates onto rubber belt, cascading green bananas smoothly for inspection.
Sea of green bananas flows steadily on conveyor, building rhythm for quality inspection.
Optical cameras scan bananas for size and curvature, flashing lights on imperfections. Quality spotter vigilantly scans conveyor for machine missed anomalies. Posture alert.
Air jets puff, blowing debris from green bananas, rippling skins in final cleanse.
Clean banana stream curves on conveyor toward dim ripening rooms, entering shadows.
This chamber is essentially a time machine. We're tricking the bananas into aging 2 weeks in just 4 days, using precise bursts of ethylene gas.
Ripening master taps code on HMI touchscreen, authorizing chamber access for gas cycle.
Inside pressurized room, ethylene gas fills with humidity, fans humming around stacked crates.
Time-lapse captures bananas shifting from deep green to bright yellow in ripening crates. Time-lapse continues. Yellow bananas gain brown sugar spots, signaling optimal ripeness.
Macro details tiny brown sugar spots emerging on yellow banana skins texturally.
Exposed banana pulp glistens translucent, transformed from starchy to soft ripeness.
Spotted banana pallets roll on conveyors toward prep floor, humming transition to mashing.
The process here is aggressive, designed to strip the fruit rapidly. As you can see, safety is paramount when working near these rollers.
The pressure on roller 5 seems low. I will adjust it now.
Slow motion shows pulp bursting from skin in soft spray, detailing efficient separation. Split skins fly rapidly into waste conveyor,
destined for compost to maintain cleanliness.
Peeled bananas drop into macerator hopper, splashing pulp to start mashing process. Overhead view of macerator blades spinning, turning fruits into chunky beige slurry. Large pump hums to life, drawing mash into pipes for onward transfer. Sludge flows visibly through overhead pipes, bubbles showing steady progress to mixing. Inline filter strains mist impurities from mash, allowing clean slurry to pass.
The key is the natural sweetness of the ripe fruit itself. This allows us to cut down on added sugars, letting the fruit's flavor shine through in the final loaf.
Overhead pipes cascade flour into 500-kilogram mixer bowl, clouds forming as it rotates.
Liquid eggs pour into flour base, yellow enriching the mixture precisely.
Beige banana mash pumps into bowl, blending with flour and eggs steadily.
Dough hook spins slowly, rumbling to incorporate ingredients evenly in tilting bowl. Ingredients gradually fold into cohesive mass, flour absorbing liquids as dust settles.
Mixer accelerates, batter smooths to golden beige with intensifying whir and air.
Batter ribbons fold smoothly from spatula, verifying ideal baking consistency. Batter fills piston depositor chambers under precise pressure for panning. Shiny, empty pans glide aligned on magnetic conveyor toward filling station. Spray gun mists release oil evenly over pans for easy depanning. Piston depositor thunks rhythmically, portioning batter exactly into each pan.
Filled pans enter tunnel oven, heat shimmering as batter begins to set.
Time-lapse shifts batter color to dark golden brown, crust setting firmly.
Maillard reaction caramelizes crust evenly, browning surfaces in oven magic.
Steaming golden loaves emerge from oven end on conveyor to cooling.
Baker presses gloved hand on loaf top, testing resilient springback quality.
Suction robot gently lifts hot loaves from pans, releasing with soft pops.
Empty pans loop back on the conveyor to restart the baking cycle seamlessly.
Hot loaves advance on conveyor toward cooling tower, steam trailing visibly.
Visible steam rises from advancing loaves, dissipating heat in cooler air.
Inside the cooling tower, we ensure a full 90-minute cool to avoid slicing tears.
Drone view shows loaves spiraling up the cooling tower in helical layers. Downward view through tower center shows spiraling loaves in industrial ballet. Detector screen flashes green PASS, approving loaf for line continuation. Lab Tech selects random loaf for QC bench inspection from the line.
Tech slices loaf evenly with serrated knife, revealing uniform crumb structure.
Macro examines crumb for uniform air holes and consistent density.
Thermometer probe inserts into loaf center, gauging internal temperature precisely.
Screen displays 25 degrees Celsius, verifying room temperature in cooled loaf.
Listen to this power. It slices 100 loaves per minute.
Hand slicer vibrates through loaf, cutting precisely in 1 second without crushing.
Slow motion reveals loaf parting into clean slices with minimal crumbs.
Penny stacker nudges slices into a lined loaf shape for packaging.
Flow wrapper folds and seals plastic film rapidly around sliced loaf.
Plastic bag contours tightly to loaf slices through transparent film.
Quick lock tag snaps on bag, printing expiration date with final click.
Robotic arm grasps 10 packaged loaves, securing for tray transfer. Arm deposits loaves evenly into plastic shipping tray without damage.
Palletizer stacks trays automatically, building tall columns for shipment. Pallet rotates in wrapper, film encasing stack for transport security.
Fresh banana bread slice falls onto plate, scattering light crumbs invitingly. Butter melts slowly into warm slice pores, seeping golden through crumb.